I am Master Ferdinand from Sri Lanka. Presently, I am at one of my students' residencies, and he is doing the videoing for me. Today, I would like to speak on the topic: are tears only for crying? This is a very interesting topic. One may say, presently, the Google company, which is known as which is an international company, and which all know, when anyone needs information, they go to Google and search it. They are on a research project which will use contact lenses to detect if one is having diabetes or not. For example, when one has diabetes, the sugar levels or the glucose levels in one's blood increases. So what they are doing is they are using IT technology or electronics, microelectronics, to find out, to fix it into the contact lens, which will be fixed into the eye, and this contact lens will measure the amount of glucose levels in the eye, or in the what you call liquid of the eye. And this way it may beam LED lights which will show whether the sugar levels are high or low. This way one may be able to know if one's sugar levels is high or low. For a diabetic it is very important, because pricking oneself every time to find out if one's sugar levels is high or low is not a practical thing. And this way some diabetics, they overeat, or sometimes they starve themselves thinking their sugar levels, the glucose levels are high, but really the glucose levels are not high. So if there is an electronic system which works like this, at once they will know if their glucose levels are high or low. And in the same way it will prevent diabetes also, because when people are having high glucose levels, they can cut down on their what you call sugar intake, and this way control or keep the sugar intake down, and that will prevent diabetes. Because one may say that diabetes is, everyone has it, or one may say every dictamen has diabetes. It is said that we are born with two legs into the world, but due to this diabetic not being controlled, some people have got to live with one leg, or one leg has got to be amputated. But if one is able to control one's diabetes, or the signal is given in time, like the saying, what you call a stitch in time saves 9, these contact lenses also will give the signal to show that the diabetes levels are high or low, and that way one can take precautionary measures. In the same way, one must not think that contact lenses can be worn frequently. It has to be done under medical supervision, because basically the contact lenses reduce the amount of tears in the eyes. So it has to be done under medical supervision, and then only one should go into these contact lenses. Very soon one may say that tears will not only be for crying, but it will be a health benefit too, and one will be able to control one's diabetes with these tears. So with the song "Rush Those Tears in Your Eyes," I will close.